Hey everybody, I just bought a 2005 Honda CR-V for $1,000. This thing's kind of a beater. It's got rust, it's got burns oil, leaks oil, needs a clutch, whole bunch of stuff wrong with it. High kilometers. I go to ICBC to transfer this thing into my name and they want me to pay tax on the black book value at $4,472. They won't take into account any of the issues with this car. They want basically $530 in tax, which is more than 50% of what I paid in tax. It's just crazy. So at the counter level, I explained my situation. Everybody was sympathetic with it, and they agreed with me that this was ridiculous, but nobody had a solution to what I should do. I went to 3 ICBCs, including the claims center where smashed vehicles go, to try to talk to an appraiser there. They couldn't help me. Everybody suggested that I take my vehicle to a appraisal facility and have it appraised. So I was like, okay, well, what's this going to cost? You're looking at like $212 to have an in-person appraisal done, and my vehicle doesn't run, needs a clutch, so I'm looking at like a $150 tow bill. Doesn't make sense, right? Not for what I'm dealing with. I was like, this ain't going to work. So I started going down the avenue of online appraisal companies. I emailed some, they didn't get back to me, and then I found one that was super responsive, and that was StonewellAppraisals.ca. I'll throw the link in the description. But for me, this worked out in my favor, so I'm sharing this story because it saved me a lot of money. Basically, all I did was I told them the story. I sent them 7 pictures of it and my contact information, and within 2 hours, they had emailed me a form, an FIN 320. This is what you need in order to skirt around this kind of ludicrous tax situation. And this is a reappraisal. So in my case, they actually came back and appraised my vehicle lower than what I paid, the $1,000. So if you get in that situation, you're going to be paying the higher of whatever the circumstance is. So initially, I paid $1,000 for my vehicle. ICBC said, whoa, this is like a $4,472 vehicle. You better pay tax over here. I'm like, dude, I paid like $1,000. This is legit. Nope. Now I jumped through all these hoops, and now, I paid the $1,000, but I got appraised over here. But now ICBC says, oh, well, in that case, we'll just take the original tax on the $1,000 that you spent. So is what it is, guys. But at least I didn't pay tax over here, right? I paid the true tax of what I spent. So I kind of feel like that's a win. The service for this was $95. It was like $89 plus tax. So if you're in British Columbia and you purchased a vehicle privately, you're going to have to pay tax on black book value, which can be ludicrous depending, if you're buying an old clapped out vehicle with issues, like just go through this step and it's guaranteed to save you money essentially. If you purchase this vehicle and you've already put it in your name, you can still reclaim this. You can still go through this process, but you're on a really tight timeline. I think you have 30 days total to have this document submitted to get the difference back in tax. So you definitely want to do this process before you transfer this vehicle in your name, just to not pay tax initially and save all the headache of that. But if you just transfer this vehicle in your name and you just kind of bit the bullet and paid the tax, and then you came home and you're pissed off and you found this video, you still have time, but it's a 30-day timeline. The turnaround for this was literally 2 hours, and I was in contact with the people via text message. It was super easy, super simple. I'm gonna use these guys again. Not that I'm really into flipping cars, but if I do find another deal and I end up going down that road, I'll definitely use them again. So hope this helps somebody. Hope to save somebody's money. Thanks for watching.